Coming in, a fresh political storm is brewing in Assam with serious allegations of cash for ticket rocking the Congress party ahead of the upcoming elections. Claims have emerged that individuals aspiring for Congress tickets in the state are allegedly being asked to deposit as much as 50,000 rupees as part of the candidate selection process. The allegations have triggered sharp reactions, raising questions over transparency and internal functioning within the Assam Congress unit. With elections drawing closer, the controversy has added to the political heat in the state.
ये हमारा पार्टी का अपना मैटर है, ये हम पैसा आज नहीं लिया है। बहुत पहले से हम लोग का ये एक कैंडिडेट का ये एक एप्लीकेशन फीस है और दूसरा ये एप्लीकेशन फीस है। जैसे आसाम का चीफ मिनिस्टर हिमंत बिश्वा शर्मा, वो जब कांग्रेस में था 3 टाइम कांग्रेस, उसे वो भी ऐसे फीस दे करके ही कांग्रेस का उसको नॉमिनेशन मिला था। लास्ट टाइम भी हम ये किया था। लास्ट टाइम हम लोग का 1600 आप 126 कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी है, उसमें 1600 आदमी 1600 लोगों ने अप्लाई किया है। अभी 20 तारीख तक लास्ट डेट है, कितना 1000 आ जाएगा।
Anamika is joining us with more details. Anamika, for the Congress, they say ये हमारा internal matter है and is being justified, saying ये होता रहा है. It's been happening for a long time.
Well, see, now Congress is taking like 50K for the particular individual tickets, and now they are saying that this is the particular piece of joining. Now, well, on the other hand, the Congress political leader Ripun Bora, he have stated that this is particular application fee, and from long time this procedure are been going on in the party itself, and he even claimed also that CM Himanta Biswa Sharma, he also had to give application fee when he was in Congress. Now, on the other hand, while we had conversation with the minister.
All right, Anamika, thank you for getting us the details. So, Congress, they're justifying it, saying it's an internal matter first, and second, it's been happening for a long time. Now, the BJP has launched a fierce attack, slamming what it calls the Congress party's graft ka model, accusing it of monetizing its candidate selection process. Taking a sharp jibe, the BJP has said, "Jitna paisa, utna haq," alleging that money, not merit, is determining who gets a Congress ticket in Assam.
This is the Congress model. INC means I need cash. Assam Pradesh Congress Committee wants paisa before giving ticket. Who can afford this? Only those who are rich. So it means they don't want any poor or common man to contest the election. It is not jitni abadi utna haq. It is jitni dhan rashi utna haq. Pay the money, get the ticket. This is the Congress model. And we have seen that they have also said 500 crores do, CM bano, paisa do, mayor lo. So this is the Congress model. Starts from ticket distribution being done in corruption and money, and then ends at that also.
And with that, we're slipping into a very short break. News and updates will continue. Stay on with us.